Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. A mindfulness therapist worksheet is a tool designed to help individuals cultivate mindfulness in their everyday lives. Mindfulness, a core practice in many therapeutic modalities, such as MBCT and acceptance and commitment therapy, involves being fully present at the moment and experiencing thoughts, sensations, and emotions without judgment. Mindfulness worksheets guide individuals in exploring their experiences in a structured and non-judgmental manner. They typically involve various exercises and prompts that encourage the individual to focus on their thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and environment. These worksheets can cover many mindfulness exercises, such as breath awareness, body scan, mindful eating, or walking meditation. Additionally, they can guide individuals in reflecting upon their experiences during these practices, helping them to understand their patterns of thought and response better and cultivate a more mindful way of living. To use our free Mindfulness Therapist worksheet, follow these steps. Download our Mindfulness Therapist worksheet from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Therapist worksheets serve as a structured guide that facilitates the exploration of specific therapeutic topics or concepts. The individual completes the worksheet either during a therapy session or as homework. The therapist and individual review the completed worksheet together, discussing the insights gained and planning future steps. The worksheet has a table to fill out with the date, today's experience, where you briefly describe the key events of your day, mindful moments, where you identify moments throughout your day when you notice yourself being present and mindful, and lessons learned. Reflect on your mindful practice for the day. Did you learn something about yourself or your patterns of thought? Here is a sample of our mindfulness therapy worksheet, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our mindfulness therapy worksheet, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.